the scalloped-au-gratin type potatoes that I make here, we use like 5-6 potatoes, maybe 7, 3 cans, 4 cans of Spam at times. 4 or 5 onions are in this batch because it's a big one. Here we have 2 cups of milk, 4 cups of milk. We got a cup of cream in here. We got garlic powder, onion powder. We got parsley in here, salt and pepper, garlic powder and whatnot. And we dump this mixture over the top of the whole thing here. Try to do it evenly. She's going to bubble up and soak up later. And this is a recipe I've been making since my mother taught me how to do this years ago. My wife improvised on it, and she actually made it a little bit better. Go figure, why wouldn't she? So that's in there. We're going to cover it with aluminum foil. Oh boy, some of it didn't come out. But we're going to cover it with aluminum foil. Hopefully it's going to be like a tent. Nothing's going to touch on top here. And this ain't big enough, is it? Yeah, it is. No. Yeah, this ain't big enough. But we're going to cover this with aluminum foil, put it in the oven, and bake it for, what is it, an hour and a half?
3 hours.
We're going to bake it for 3 hours, the wife says. So we're going to put this in the oven and bake it for about 3 hours. It's very heavy. Like I say, there's a lot of potatoes in there and whatnot. This is not big enough, so I'll tell you that.
I think they're just big enough. So they just perfect. That's one carry, that's
Alright. So yeah, you want to cover it with aluminum foil so she steams up a little bit. And cut. That's going to be the end of that. So we'll see you in 3 hours. You see how I layered that down really nice. If anything in the video I'm forgetting to say is it's going to be very good. So the wife's going to carry it, just she's got a stronger back. How you doing? We'll see you when it's done. That's what the potatoes look like after they get out of the oven. We let it sit here for 10 minutes to cool down. So I'm going to get a nice slice of this, and I'll show it on my plate what it looks like. Why wouldn't I? And there you have it. We have it on the plate. I took a 4x4 square, I guess it would be called, maybe 5x5. You can see the layers of the Spam. You can use regular ham. The trick to this is making your potatoes uniform thin. We slice them on the meat slicer. You can do them in a food processor. I got 4 cans of Spam. I think it's 6 potatoes sliced and 5 onions in this batch. So time to eat it while it's warm. Why wouldn't I? Let's get on with it. Delicious.